Welcome back to our plan set number 5 here using the Hearlihy Blueprint series. And in our previous video, we went and created the actual doors for most of our doors or doorways. And so in this video, we're going to kind of finish that up and fix our outliner panel, because as you can see, yours is probably along the lines of this one, and there's a lot going on, and we're just going to kind of combine everything into groups. So to begin with, we're going to do the same thing we did here with our closet door, and we're going to do that over here just as an additional practice. So let's take our line tool and draw in just a short line. Select that line. Take your move tool, and we're going to hit Control and copy it over to the other side. Then you're going to hit /2 in order to create a halfway mark. I'm going to take my tape measure and just double click on that line in order to create a full guide. Let's take our rectangle tool, and I'm going to first create a 1/2 inch mark. Take our rectangle tool and draw in our rectangle. Let's take our push-pull tool and let's pull this out 1.5 inches. We're going to triple click on this, right click, make it a component, and this is going to be water heater closet door. Let's go down to the very bottom. I'm going to edit this component, click on the E key for the eraser, and erase some of our lines. Let's take our move tool. Let's take our move tool and copy this over. And let's take our rotate tool and let's go ahead and open up this door. Remember, you can hover over the corner there, hit your up arrow key in order to bring open the correct door. If it doesn't automatically select, go ahead and click on it and try it again. So we're just going to open up that. Let's go here and take our move tool. Again, your move tool keyboard shortcut is the letter M. So we'll kind of swing around and let's put this there in that corner. Let's go ahead and kind of rotate this around a little bit. And there we have our closet door. So we got two little lines here we can erase. There we go. Okay. So that's a little bit more practice with that. We do still have one door left over here. What we're going to do, instead of recreating, because this is our 2'6" door, and instead of moving the door itself, we're simply going to take our tape measure. I'm going to double click on this side and double click on this side. So we put in our guides. We're going to come over here and we're going to select this door here, hold down Shift, click on the door trim, take our move tool, and let's bring this over here off to the side. With our move tool, if you hover over the top, you'll see these little red X's. We're just going to rotate this around. We're going to move it from this corner here, and we're going to place it onto our doorway. So now we have all of our doors done. The only thing that we haven't finished yet with the doors is our front door handle, and I'm going to leave that up for you all So you can go into the 3D warehouse, pick whatever kind of door handle you want for this house, and place it in there. Just remember, you will need to close the door by using the rotate tool. But let's go over here and let's kind of get our outliner panel situated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start merging the doorways. So I'm going to hold down Shift and click on the door and the door trim. I want to right click and I'm going to make that a group. Same thing with this, and I'm going to go through and turn all of the doors into a group or individual groups. Hold down Shift, click all of these. We'll turn that into a group. Let's turn this into a group. And we have our closet. So now we have all of those into groups. Let's go through here and we will leave the windows like they are, but we need to come through here and let's rename all of these groups. So if you click on it, it'll tell you it'll highlight what it is. So this is going to be our front door. Make sure you click enter. This is the closet door. This one here is the bedroom door. Scroll down, this one is our bathroom door. This is our bathroom closet door. And we have our water heater closet door. And we can kind of click on these little minus signs in order to shrink everything up so we can take a look at how everything looks. So we will leave it like that. Let's go down here and let's bring up your tags. And let's go through here and create some tags. So let's create one for the foundation. Let's create another one for the roof, and we'll put the roof and the porch onto this one. We're going to do walls. Let's create another one for windows and one for doors. And I'm going to erase. Okay, no. All right. So here, what we're going to do is I'm going to start by going through and I'm going to click on all of my windows. Click on your NT info and we're going to click on this icon in order to change it to our windows. You can click on, and we'll change the color here in a little bit. Next, let's go ahead and do our doors. In our NT info, click on your untagged and click on doors. You do need to make sure that you create the tags first or else they won't show up here in your current tags. Our foundation is going to be part of the foundation, and we'll turn the plot itself into the foundation as well. Our walls, and let's go ahead and turn back on our porch and our roof. Select your roof, select your porch, and let's go ahead and click on the posts as well. and we'll turn that into our roof tag. So now if we come through here, we can click on this icon here, which is color by tags, and you'll see all of our tags that we have available, or how everything is currently tagged. And we can come over here and turn off any of these. And everything should be the right color. You can go through here, look through these, make sure you didn't miss anything. But this will finish up this episode. Whenever you're taking your screenshot, make sure you take a screenshot of kind of this right here, showcasing your tags panel. And in our next episode, we're going to go through, put in our textures, and that will kind of finish up this project. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes in this playlist.